There's never enough time. When I look at my watch, I'm not interested in what the time is, just how long I have left. So I wanted to design a watch that not only displayed the time, but could sync with my calendar to tell me what's next. I wanted to investigate ways to make watches easier to put on. So I sketched design concepts and chose 3 to prototype. Not all the prototypes worked as well as I'd like. One idea stood out. It's fairly simple and with development could work well. Having come up with a way of putting the watch on and an idea for the way I want to display time, I started sketching out design ideas. I then chose one to work onto a presentation board. Sometimes you have those glorious days where you start drawing and everything just works, but it's funny how with the camera on, having to draw through the legs of a tripod and not rotate the paper, I tightened up, so this isn't the best drawing that I've ever done. I'm not worried if I make mistakes. If I don't get my perspective right, I'll use my drawing as an underlay. I took a photograph of another sketch and then read that into Photoshop to apply layers. I then decided to make a model of the design. I already had the leather for my strap, but it was too thick for me to get a nice edge, so I had to shave the edge down, fold it over and stitch it. I was fairly happy with the result. The body is made in wood, cut and hand sanded. Details are cut in with my trusty Dremel. Buttons are made from aluminium rod. The centre of the button is drilled, then hand filed out, and the whole thing is given a polish. I then fit a small cut polypropylene tab for detail. The body is sprayed, the strap is attached, buttons are fitted, and a sprayed perspex display is added.